Lane here at Silverwood Toyota. Today I'm looking at this 2023 Toyota Tundra SR5. We've done a little build on this Tundra. We did a 3.5 inch rough country lift, added some 17-inch fuel wheels and some 35, 12.5, 17 general grabber rubber. Added some Toyota Predator side steps. This is a long box. And we added this Toyota swing out toolbox. This truck has a cloth interior. Rear window slides down all the way. Power windows, power doors, power mirrors, heated front seat, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate control, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions about this or any other truck on our lot, give Blaine a call down here at Silverwood Toyota, 780-861-0130.